like rap songs, but you know, I could have cut you Hey, what's up, everybody? You're watching The Drop. I'm Cynthia Luciette.
And I'm Jay Snow. So last night, South Park aired an episode featuring Caitlyn Jenner and Donald Trump.
Yeah.
And it was pretty brutal.
They did not hold any punches at all.
Where my country gone, bitch? Nobody talks to me like that, buddy. Nobody talks to me like that, friend. Yeah, I came here to do one thing. Hey, what the? Hey, that pokes, buddy. Oh my God, guy. Please, I can't.
Rape is not a joke. It's hard because it's like, I don't want to publicly on camera be like, that's funny. But I mean, I'm happy that they didn't hold any bars. They did what they always do with episodes. Do you think Donald Trump's gonna respond or say anything about this? I mean, he's kind of like in the press right now. He was on Jimmy Fallon's parody of Empire, Jimpire.
That was hilarious.
Yeah.
That was hilarious.
The whole time he was trying to figure out who he should give the Empire to, and then he's like, finally, this is who it is. And then it's Donald Trump, and he's like, I'm back, or whatever.
He did a great Terrence Howard impression, though.
It was so funny, and when Terrence ran into him like in the fucking studio, he's like, you better not be doing an Empire parody. And he's like, I'm not. And they're dressed exactly alike. And he's like, I swear, when he was doing his thing, he was like, why would I be doing that? He's like, why are you talking like that? Like, it was funny.
Speaking of Empire, I know you guys want to hear about Empire, and it will be featured on the Cooler. They're talking about it today, so tune into that.
Yeah, check that out with Doughboy and John Scarlett. All right, but we want to hear from you guys. Do you think that Donald Trump is going to respond? Because he never can seem to shut up. So probably. What do you think he's going to say? Leave some comments below.
Make sure you guys subscribe to All That Digital. Share this video. I'm Jay Snow.
I'm Cynthia Luciette.
See you tomorrow on The Drop.